mga nauuso ngayong pastime, lalo na ng mga millennials, ang digital arts. Ang isang grupo ng mga estudyante sa Baliuag, Bulacan may niluluto ngayong kompetisyon. Alamin natin ang mga iba pang detalye tungkol sa Art.Extension kasama si Archie Cruz, ang project head nito, at si Michael Juve Camiña, ang kanilang promotions officer. Magandang umaga sa inyo. Bumati muna kayo sa ating mga manonood.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So first of all, ano ba itong Art.Extension na ito?
So yung Art.Extension po kasi is the first new media arts competition of Baliuag University. So yung competition na to is for students to showcase their passion for art through the use of new media.
So ito ba ay isang matagal nyo nang pinaplano? Paano kayo nag-come up sa ganitong klaseng contest?
Personally kasi ako, may passionate ako about arts and technology. So, nag-come up ako dito sa idea na to share dun sa mga students na may passion na kagaya ko. And I believe yung mga students ngayon, through the use of new media, mas may express nila yung sarili nila.
And how is this different from other competitions we see na ginagawa din ng ibang schools? What's unique about this?
Art.Extension is purely digital. So from registration, submission, up until dun sa mga artworks nila, digital siya. Digital yung format.
And I believe meron itong mga categories, right?
Yes. Yung first, yung digital arts, which is graphic design, drawings that uses computer, tapos yung isa video arts,
How about,
film.
yes, sino naman itong mga pwedeng sumali at paano ba sila makakapagrehistro?
And so yung competition po is open to all students 16 to 21 years old from Bulacan and Pampanga. So there are two ways to register. First po is by simply visiting the website art.extension.baliuagu.edu.ph, or you can also visit Baliuag University Admissions Office and you can look for Ms. Courtney Reyes to assist you po. So our office is open from Mondays to Saturdays, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m.
And also, nabanggit mo nga, Michael, no, open din ito outside Baliuag University, outside Bulacan even, no?
Yes.
Sa Pampanga. So, buti na isipan nyo na i-open ito sa ibang probinsya. And are you planning na if this becomes very successful, how about next year? Do you plan to also invite other schools from other provinces?
Definitely kapag naging successful yung event, magkakaroon siya ng part 2. So, nag-decide kami na i-open yung competition sa labas kasi parang nakikita namin yung Baliuag University as creative hub, maging creative hub ng mga schools around us.
Pwede nyo ba kami bigyan ng parang briefer, kumbaga, nung mga iba't ibang categories? Like, yung graphic design, naririnig naman natin yan eh. Parang meron pa yung mga, parang ngayon palang maririnig ng mga ibang ordinary students.
Under din dun sa digital arts, bukod dun yung graphic design, yung illustration, kasama rin dun yung photography. So, yun. Under din siya ng category na yun.
And of
Medyo
course,
malawak.
siguro, dahil competition nga to, ano yung prizes ng mga mananalo?
So, yung mga mananalo, first, ma-feature sila ron sa book. Magkakaroon kasi kami ng book doon sa digital arts. 12 entries yung makakasama doon. Magiging cover doon yung winner. Tapos yung mga ibang entries nandun sa loob. And for the digital arts, it's 5,000 worth of cash and special prizes. And for digital arts, 15,000 worth of cash and special prizes.
Any other details that you might want to add, Michael, about this competition?
So, magkakaroon kami ng awarding on our anniversary, which is on February. Magiging, yun na rin yung film showing and awarding nung event. Parang ito yung conclusion ng event.
Sabay po ng foundation anniversary ng Baliuag University.
Bali, ilang years na yung Baliuag University?
94, turning 94.
Wow, 94 years.
94
So, can you please also invite our audience to join yung mga hindi pa nakakaalam ng competition, Art.Extension?
Ayan, so we are inviting all students from Bulacan and Pampanga. Don't miss the chance to unleash your creativity and potentials through the use of new media. Ayan, so registration is ongoing until November 5, 2018.
Yun, sali kayo sa Art.Extension. Magandang medium to unleash your potential. And gusto rin namin i-take yung chance na magpasalamat sa CLTV 36 for being our official media partner for this event. Ayan.
All right. Thank you very much, Archie Cruz and Michael Juve Camiña. Maraming salamat sa
Thank you
inyong
po.
oras, and we wish you all the best in your competition. Tuloy-tuloy pa rin ang balitaan, magbabalik ang mornings at Central Luzon.